What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to change username on Facebook. So I'm currently heading over to the Facebook application. Once you're there, make sure that you're logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the top right corner. Now just tap on the settings icon on the top right. Now go to account center. Now select your profiles. Now select your Facebook account. Now here you will find the username option. So as we want to change our username, I'm heading over to the username section. Now you have to give a username here, and if you just choose any username, just make sure it is available. And once it is done, tap on done and change the username. So there's another information I need to give you, that is, once you change your username, you can't change it for the another 30 days. So make sure you change that, maintaining caution. So yeah, this is the information we needed to share with you regarding this problem. Hope this video helped you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below and we will reach you out.